I'm going to show you how to turn a simple tee like this into this, with just a few simple steps. What is good, fashion people? It is your curly hair brown boy, the Prince, and welcome back to another great video. And so guys,
I'm pretty excited for today's video. I think it's gonna be a pretty good one.
And so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a half and half shirt. So super easy, super straightforward. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. And so if you guys are ready, let's hop right into today's video. So guys, this is me in the first shirt. So as you can see, it's a pretty well-fitting shirt. It's not too baggy. And then this is me in the second shirt. And here guys, here's the second shirt. Pretty much very similar to the first, same sort of graphic, just basically different colors and stuff. And so it's also pretty nice. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two shirts and just fuse them together. You know, just do a little dance.
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh my DBZ fans, you know what I'm talking about, that fusion.
That fusion.
Fusion. Ha!
Okay, so start off, you're just gonna lay your t-shirt flat, right? And here I have my t-shirt flat. It is just nice and well, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and we're gonna fold it over, right? Make sure that you align your t-shirt well, that it's nice and well aligned, everything. So I have my scissors here, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut all the way through. So with the power of video editing, I'm gonna go, ow! And there we go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna repeat this process with my second shirt right here. So guys, as you can see here, I've aligned the two different shirts, the red and the black one, and now I'm going to show you how we're going to pin this up. So now what we're going to do is I've turned each of my shirts inside out. You can see here's the inside of it. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to take each of the shirts, we're going to take both of the fronts. Here's the one front, here's the other front, and we're going to put them together just like this. Align them up, and then I have my pins right here, and then we're gonna start pinning them together. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I finished pinned up the two shirts together. So this is the front. It's been pinned up quite well all the way down. As you can see here at the end, the red is just slightly longer than the black, but that's really not a problem. I'm gonna sew all the way through and make sure that this part also gets sewn in. So now what we're gonna do is head over to my sewing machine. Okay guys, so I finished sewing up the front, and this is how it's looking so far. Here you can see that the shirt is sewn together. I think it's looking pretty cool, but we still have the back to do. So now what I'm gonna do is repeat the exact same steps. Gonna pin the back together on the wrong sides together, pin the back together, and then sew it. So guys, I have finished sewing up the shirt, and oh my goodness, it is looking so good. But before I show it to you guys, I just want to ask you, if you are enjoying the video, if you learned something and found this informational, then guys, please go ahead and drop this video a nice big like. Just smash that like button guys. It helps let me know that you guys enjoy my content. And now for the big reveal. So guys, that is pretty much it from me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I thought this was a pretty nice, easy and straightforward tutorial that anyone could do. And so guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, then please guys, be sure to give this video
a nice big thumbs up. Just smash that thumbs up button.
It helps let me know that you guys enjoy my content. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy DIYs, fashion tutorials and fashion information videos just like this one, then guys, be sure to smash that sub button, because that is exactly the type of content I make on my channel. So guys, I really do appreciate every single person that watches my videos. Thank you all so much. I'll see you in the next video. Keep living your passion.